Dual language immersion. A bright future for students in a global village. In the U.S., some children learn academic content in 2 languages simultaneously. Programs with the goals of bilingualism and biliteracy are called immersion programs. Developmental bilingual programs emphasize English for minorities. The students learn to read first in their home language and then in English. One-way foreign language immersion programs help English background students learn a second language. Heritage language programs connect students to their cultural background through language. These students may only speak English, but they have a connection to the language. Two-way immersion programs combine minority and majority groups as they share their native languages. For example, a class with about half the students who speak Spanish and half who speak English uses both languages for instruction. For decades, there has been controversy with bilingual education pertaining to immigrants. People were afraid that students wouldn't succeed if they studied school subjects in other languages. They demanded English-only education. Eventually, this evolved into immersion education. With the fresh perspective of immersion education, more students benefit from a setting in which they study academic content in 2 languages. Research proves that there are developmental advantages, both cognitively and socially, to these children. Specifically, two-way immersion empowers students equally through cultural and linguistic sharing. As minority populations increase, there is a greater need for quality education to help all students succeed. Research shows that minorities excel academically if their first language is supported. Minority and majority students come together in two-way immersion to cross language barriers. The diversity in two-way immersion helps students teach each other a new language and culture, while still achieving their academic goals together. Their futures are bright because they are more prepared for an increasingly multicultural world.